How to make money on Freelancer as an email marketing specialist. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, freelancer.com is a platform where you can create your own profile in order to showcase your skills to the visitors of the platform or the business owners. So for example, if I was a business owner or a freelancer coming to this platform to find an email marketing specialist, I will just go to hire freelancers in here. Then I'm going to search by skill categories. It's where you can find every skill, every available skill in the platform. So let's go to the skill categories and let's give it a few seconds to load. Sometimes it takes a little bit of time. And here it is. You can browse all categories. The first one is websites, IT and software, and our skill will not be in here for sure. So let's scroll down to another category. And here we have writing and content category. Same, it's not where we can find our skill. And here data entry, engineering, sales and marketing. So this is where we can find our skill. So let's search for the letter A. There it is. Email campaign, email marketing. So that's what we're looking for. So click on email marketing. And here hire expert email marketers for any job. And by scrolling down, you will be able to check and see all of the freelancers profiles in here. So click on see more marketers, and then you will proceed to see their profiles. As you can see, 261 results. And by removing the online users, you will be able to see all of the users in here, if they are online or not. So let's remove this. And here we have 34,451 results, as you can see. And here we have email to success. So you have a lot of freelancers in this skill. So let's check the first one's profile, which is this one. So here I'm checking his profile just to show you guys what you're going to learn in today's video. So here guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a profile like this one, where you're going to showcase your skills. And I'm going to show you how you can add a cover photo to your profile, how to add a profile picture as well. I'm also going to show you how you can add your hourly rates, how to add your description like this one. As you can see, hello freelancer buyer, Bobby here, a Canadian Chinese now living in Hong Kong, over 10 years of email marketing experience, and together we can help your small and medium sized business grow to the next level. So this is a great description. Then I'm also going to show you how you can verify all of these verifications. And at least you will need to have your identity and your payment, phone, email verified, because the identity is very important in here, just for clients to hire you and to start to trust you. And I'm also going to show you how you can upload your portfolio to the platform. So let's go back to the main page. Let's remove this one, and here let's go back to the main page. And here you can hire the best freelancers for any job online. So here click on earn money freelancing, and here you fill the user information, your first name, last name, email and password. Then click on join freelancer. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to move on with my username and my password. Then click on login. And let's give it a few seconds to redirect us to the dashboard. So this is our dashboard, and here in your top right, it's where you can control everything about your account. You can view your profile, your membership, your account analytics, your bidding sites, and your settings. And when it comes to finances, you can check your balance, you can add funds, withdraw funds, check your transaction history, your financial dashboard, your payment sharing. And also, if you've encountered any problems, you can head to the support. You will find solutions in there. And if you want to invite friends, make sure to click on this button. They will provide you with your own custom link where you can earn some money by inviting your friends. And if you want to log out, you can do that as well. So let's go up to view our profile, and I'm sure it's very empty. As you can see, it needs a lot of adjustments in here. So let's start by clicking on edit profile. The first thing you will need to do is to verify your email verification required. Then you proceed to entering a profile picture. Then you add a cover photo as well. These two are very important. Then you move on to the verifications. Here you will need to join the elite group of the best freelancers, verify your identity, verify your payment method, verify your phone number as well, your email, and connect your Facebook account. And then you move on to adding your hourly rate and your professional headline, and add also your summary or the description. It's where you're going to talk about yourself, your skills, where did you learn the skill, how many years of experience you have, your previous experiences, and all of the stuff that you can add in there to impress the client to work with you basically. And then you move on to adding your skills in here. Let's click on this pencil. Let's remove these ones. You can add up to 20 skills, so it's good for the freelancers who have a lot of skills. So here let's enter email marketing specialist, email marketing, and it seems like no skills were found. And here we have email marketing. Then let's remove marketing, email marketing, handling developer campaign, email. So that's all what we can go with. So scroll down and click on save to save those adjustments. Then you move on to make some money. So let's go to browsing here, click on projects. It's where you can find all of the posted jobs from clients or individuals who are looking for freelancers to hire, and you can apply for them. And that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.